Hi, Andy with American Dent Specialist. I was coming today to talk to you about choosing a complete 5-star rated PDR shop when getting your dent or ding or hail damage repaired. Here at American Dent Specialist, we go the extra mile. We have all the tools, techniques, and training to do 100% of the PDR repairs that are available in our community. In this example, we had a GMC Yukon get a large dent in the bottom of the door. The only way to properly repair it is to take the door completely off, order a new belt mold or a new side molding in. Here's the door here. We have it completely off. We have it on a hood stand, disconnected. We're working on taking the dent out now. This door is going to be, the dent's going to be completely removed. The paint's going to be buffed, or the surface of the door is going to be buffed and polished, and then we're going to reattach the door, recalibrate the computer, make sure all the electronics are working properly, and return this back to the customer in its pre-damaged condition, right? Also, if you got hail damage in the recent storm, even though it was a very light storm, I wanted to show some of the damage that was caused. So this is one of the cars that was damaged by the recent storm. This is a Toyota Camry. The owner thought they might have had 15 to 20 dents on it. As you can see from the video, it is much more. This ended up being a $4,800 hail damage repair. The insurance adjuster right now is working to add the additional moldings that have been damaged so we can get those ordered in and replaced. So if you think that you didn't get hail damage, or it's very light, or you're not going to worry about it, this customer didn't know that they were going to have $4,800 in damage until they went to sell their vehicle. Now they have to get it repaired, otherwise they're going to actually see that $4,800 loss in the value of selling their car because it had hail damage on it. So she brought it in, we're going to completely repair it. No out-of-pocket expense to her for this repair, which is really good. We do have deductible assistance, so ask us about it when you come in. But even the light hailstorm does a lot of damage. We had a F-150 that came down from Dallas. That was $9,000. We are able to paint some areas of the car, use PDR on some areas of the car. We make it very simple to have your hail damage repaired here at American Dent Specialist. Only things necessary: call, set up an appointment here with us here at our shop, call your insurance company, go ahead and make a claim, bring your claim number and your vehicle here to our shop. We can help you set up a rental car, we can walk you through the repair process, and we will work seamlessly with your insurance to make sure that your car is repaired in its entirety. So if you need any hail damage services or PDR services, give us a call. Thanks.